Hi, my name is Dave Gwyndon, and today is the day that I'm releasing my secret weapon responsible for helping me generate over $231,966.31 with print-on-demand t-shirts. First, in this presentation, I'm going to reveal 9 different ways you can make money with print-on-demand t-shirts on the internet. For example, how would you like to learn how to make $1,608.66 in just 7 days like we're looking at right here? Or how about learning how to make $3,948 in just 7 days by selling a design just like this one? And the best part about this online business is the fact that you don't have to be a graphic designing expert in order to make a lot of money. Now take a look at some of these examples I found online where people are making tens of thousands of dollars by selling very simple shirts online. For example, this one here sold $44,890. Another one for $20,026, $13,597, $9,000, $10,972, $43,782, $21,869. As you can see, these designs are very simple and pretty much anyone can do it. In fact, if we add up all the numbers you see here on the right hand side in my personal Teespring account, you can see that I've actually earned over $231,000. In fact, you can see right here, one of my designs did $35,972 in just 7 days. The online print-on-demand business model is extremely popular right now, and in fact, it is absolutely booming with unbelievable results. So does that sound exciting to you? If so, great, you're in the right place at the right time. And I promise I will reveal several money-making ideas to you in this presentation that you can be doing right now from the comfort of your own living room couch with just a laptop and some helpful tools that I will reveal in this video. Next, let me briefly introduce myself. As I already mentioned, my name is Dave Gwyndon, and what you're looking at here is my beautiful little family, and we have a brand new baby on the way. And there's no words that can possibly explain the feeling of being able to provide for your family and have financial freedom for everything that you need for your family. And I've been earning a full-time living online since around 2004 and making money online since around 2001. And my specialties are software design, graphic design, and web design. But I've actually helped thousands of people get up and running and making money online. And I want you to be my next success story. And what I'm going to do is do that by showing you how to make money with print-on-demand shirts. So what exactly is a print-on-demand business model, and more importantly, how can this make you money? This new concept is done by using websites like Teespring.com as well as another website like Screened.com. These websites allow anybody with just an email address to sign up for free and create your very first t-shirt design using their built-in designer. With just a few clicks of your mouse, you can actually create a t-shirt really fast by using their built-in editor tool. They have all sorts of stuff like a text tool. They also have an object tool in there. You can quickly just drop in any object you want. Or more specifically, what I like to do is I actually create my own images in Photoshop and then I upload them into the editor to quickly create my t-shirt design. It's very easy to use and very intuitive interface. And this is built right inside of the Teespring interface. So very easy to use. And you can create shirts just like this one you just saw. And with sites like Teespring.com, you simply have to set your minimum goal that you need to sell. And if you meet that goal, then all of the shirts will be printed and shipped to your customers. On sites like Screen.com, it's evergreen, and you do not have a time limit for how long you want to run your shirt. You can run it for as long as you want, and you can enjoy the natural traffic coming from SEO to your specific campaigns. In fact, just earlier this year, a major investment firm invested over $20 million in this custom apparel platform called Teespring. And you can read about it all over the internet, just how popular and booming this business really is. In fact, this business is kind of like how Kindle was just a few years ago. So just like how Kindle revolutionized the self-publishing industry with the book market, where anyone could easily become an author, well, this is happening right now again with the Teespring and custom apparel business. And with a quick search around the internet, you'll quickly find an overwhelming number of success stories with Teespring alone. You'll see thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars of people having successful campaigns on Teespring and changing their lives forever. I know of many Teespringers that are making well over $100,000 every single month. And in fact, I personally did $231,000 in just 3 months. So this custom t-shirt business is absolutely booming right now, and internet marketers are carving out their share of this lucrative billion-dollar market. In fact, I believe that every single internet marketer should be involved with some sort of custom t-shirt market. Because no matter what target market it is, or whatever market you're in, you can create a t-shirt that will increase your bottom line. Here are 9 ways to make money online with t-shirts. Number 1, create simple text-only designs based on Facebook interests, then promote using Facebook newsfeed ads. And in fact, I show you how to use the Facebook newsfeed ads step by step as part of the training in my latest T-Inspector product. By simply going to Facebook, typing in interest, and then scrolling down, you'll find all of these different types of niches you can get into. For example, motorcycles. Head on over to Google and type in funny motorcycle sayings, and you have more than enough stuff to put onto your motorcycle niche t-shirts. Thousands and thousands of different ideas. The options are pretty much endless. Number 2, earn quick cash by posting tees on dead fan pages. Here's one that I did on a snowmobiling fan page, which had 0 activity and made hundreds of dollars from this one campaign. Another one that made some money from a completely dead NHL Canucks fan page. Number 3, contact other Facebook fan page owners and offer them, say, $20 to $50 to post your shirt on their page, or offer them a percentage of the profits. In the Facebook search, you can simply type community's name Breaking Bad, for example, and select pages, and you'll find a ton of other users that have fan pages. For example, this one here, Breaking Bad Vines, and you can contact the owners of these fan pages by simply messaging them and say, hey, look, I would like to sell a shirt on your fan page, and in return, I'll give you $20, $50, or possibly a percentage of the sales. In fact, many Teespring sellers made a lot of money selling Breaking Bad related t-shirts, and Breaking Bad is just a very popular TV show. So as you can imagine, there are many TV shows out there that you can model your shirts off of and make a lot of money. Number 4, contact popular YouTube channel owners and offer to design their tees for their brand and split the profits. For example, here's the famous Jehovah ice cream shirt that sold 2,012 shirts at $21.99. If you do the math, that's $44,244. And they have a very popular YouTube channel. So you can do the same thing and contact other YouTube channel owners and make a lot of money just by splitting the profits with them. Number 5, create evergreen shirt campaigns on Screen.com and post them on Wanelo. Over at Screen.com, you can create your own store, and there's no time limit on how long you can sell your shirts for. And then Wanelo stands for Want, Need, Love. It's a social network for products that people want to buy. And so you can post all your shirts here on this website, and you're guaranteed to make a lot of sales over the lifetime of your t-shirts. In addition, sites like this get massive exposure within social markets like Facebook and Twitter. And you can get natural SEO from Google to get free viral traffic to your t-shirt campaigns. Number 6, create an Instagram account for a specific niche, then get followers using simple meme images and post Teespring campaign photos right within your Instagram campaign. Instagram is a massively popular photo sharing network, and you can easily create an account and focus around an entire niche and then post funny meme pictures on your account to get followers, and then post your Teespring campaigns directly inside of your Instagram account. Number 7, use Facebook and Google Trends to cash in with viral campaigns while enjoying basically zero competition. Right directly inside of your Facebook account, Just on the right hand side, you'll see all the trending topics that's going on right now within Facebook. And within Google, you can search the Google Trends by simply typing Google Trends into the Google search engine, and you'll see all the latest top trending topics within the internet that's going on right now. Here's an example of a campaign that really took off based on something that happened in the news from one of the NHL games that just happened during the 2014 NHL playoffs. And this shirt got over 1,280 sales, earning thousands of dollars based on a trending topic that occurred at that time. Campaigns like this can really do extremely well because basically there's zero competition. Number 8, use Teespring research sites and other clothing related sites to spot top selling designs that you can model from, and this is included in our course as well. For example, the popular site called TView is a great place to go look at see what are the latest selling and top trending t-shirts on Teespring. And there are other websites such as Zazzle that gives you all the popular t-shirts on their network. Redbubble is another one showing all the popular t-shirts and hoodies from their network, as well as Screened has their trending tees and popular tees. Even sites like eBay and Amazon have a ton of different shirt ideas that you can go model after and try them on Teespring and other networks like Screened. And number 9, of course, to use the T-Inspector software to uncover top-selling campaigns from many sources, and also to save a massive amount of time getting your campaigns up and running really fast and to manage your campaigns. So those are just a few examples of how regular folks are earning real money with custom t-shirts right now. And you know what? There's really no mystery to it, and literally anybody can do this, even if you have zero design skills. If you think about it, the amount of niches that are available for this type of market is basically unlimited. You know, you can have nurse shirts, teacher, bridesmaids, birthdays, science, country, military, sports, animals, math, nerd shirts, muscle, bodybuilding, geek, firefighter, tattoo, college sports. And that's just a tiny little bit of niches you can get into for this massive t-shirt selling business. And remember, no matter how much competition a particular niche has, it really doesn't matter how many shirts that niche has seen on Facebook, for example, like nurse shirts. There's been a ton of them. It doesn't matter how many they've purchased because they'll always buy another one. So no matter how crowded a particular niche is, they will always buy a shirt. If you think about it, shirts are kind of like a commodity, like buying food at the grocery store. You may have 1,000 shirts in your closet, but you'll always go out and buy more. Let's take a quick peek at the T-Inspector software. It has a lot of different features in it, so there's no way I could possibly cover everything in this video, but I'll give you a little flavor of some of the things you can actually do with it. So in the search analyzer section here, this is where you can search by keyword, or if you don't want to search by keyword, you can simply just click this one button here and get all of the top selling shirts in the last 24 hours from Google. In addition, you can search TView, or you can even search any custom input that you want to put in there. For example, searching an entire Facebook fan page. Let's do a quick example by searching the keyword fishing. You can select the period within the last 24 hours, week, or month on Google, or you can also select the number of pages you want to search. Plus, you have these additional settings where you can set the minimum number of sales you want to see, whether or not the campaign is actually active or ended. If you want to do an exact match search, also if you want to see if any of the campaigns were taken down due to trademark issues, simply click go and it'll instantly go out to Google and find the latest Teespring campaigns and then summarize them all right here within this easy to read interface. So as you can see here, you can see the number of sales, the goal amount, the ratio between sales to goal, how many likes on Facebook this actual Teespring campaign got, all sorts of really powerful information. You can even just hover your mouse over top of each one to see a preview of each shirt really quickly. Or click the preview button to see them instantly in a big window, all organized in a nice easy to read table where you can sort by each column really quickly. In addition, if you want to see where this particular shirt is being sold on the internet, you can right click and search Google for that shirt. And you can find all of the places on Google where that shirt is being advertised. You also have the option to search the popular TView website by using keyword search as well. You can even run multiple instances of the T-Inspector software so you can really dial in your research very quickly. You can quickly sort by number of sales and take a look at all the top selling shirts within any niche that you want. With the custom input feature, you can simply drag and drop any code. For example, if I wanted to see all the sales from the shirts from this particular fan page, just simply right-click in your browser, view source, and all this code that you see, you just simply select all, right-click, select all, and then drag that right into the software, and now click go, and boom, now it's going to that fan page and extracting out all of the campaigns that were listed within that page, and you can see which one is selling the most. As you can see here, this particular one sold 895 shirts from that particular fan page. In addition, you can actually search the Wanilo social network for products in here. For example, if you want to see shirts to do with country girls. And you'll quickly get a big list of all the different shirts on that network, and you can sort it by the number of saves, which indicates the most popular shirts in that network. And then you can also hover just over top of each listing to see the shirt, or you can also utilize the preview button just like in the previous tool. In addition, we've integrated a data archiver tool, and this is extremely powerful, and I have not seen this anywhere on the internet. There's no other product on the market right now that will do this. This will actually log and monitor the sales for any shirt that you put in here. And once you log the sales, you can double click and you can see the number of sales per time period at any given time that you have this running on your computer. This is very powerful for spying on other people's campaigns to see how well they're doing, or to monitor your own campaigns to see how well they're doing over time. This feature is extremely powerful. It can really help you pinpoint what shirts are really coming out to the market that are doing very well. I've even integrated a logins and bookmarks tool to make it really fast and simple for you to get around the internet and get to important sites really quickly. For example, if you want to log in to your Teespring account, you simply just double click that and it'll bring you right to your Teespring account. Or let's say you want to go to the Facebook grid tool, or you want to go to the Facebook ads manager. All of these are located right in the logins and bookmarks feature within the software. You can easily add whatever you want here. It can be just bookmarks, or it can be full-on logins, and a login information will be provided here, and you can simply just copy and paste to log into any page that you want. In addition, we've provided a databank tool. The databank tool makes it very easy for you to quickly list campaigns and your Facebook ads by accessing stored content within your databank tool here. So let's say, for example, you want to list an ad on Facebook, but you don't want to keep using the same text over and over again. Well, you can save it in here so you don't have to keep typing it out every single time. This comes really handy. This comes in very handy when you're doing a lot of campaigns at once, or you're listing a lot of ads at once. So you got basically a nice little data bank of all of your content that you use over and over and over again. And all you have to do to get access to this content is simply double click the entry and it will be copied to your clipboard, and then you just paste it where you need that content. I've even included a special tool that I use for putting tracking links within my Teespring campaigns. I've never seen anyone else do this, but I love putting trackers inside of my Facebook campaigns so that I can see real-time traffic and real-time earnings per click. And the trackers is located right here, and with just one click of a button, you can put a bit.ly tracking link directly inside of your campaigns. Here's the stats of a recent campaign, and I can see real-time stats up to the hour or up to the day. Very powerful feature, and with just one single click, you can create these special tracking links you can drop right into your campaigns. There is so much more to this software, it's hard to cover in this little video, but another quick example is, let's say you're doing a shirt with NFL, but you don't want to be violating any trademarks. Well, you can simply put in NFL for a search term and select the trademark only button and click go, and Google will go out and find possible campaigns that were removed by Teespring so that you can see what other people have done to get their campaign removed so you don't make the same mistake. And here's a feature that you probably won't see anywhere. You can actually see the original design that was taken down by simply hovering your mouse over top of these links. Or you can simply click the preview button and instantly see all the shirts that were taken down due to some sort of copyright. In addition to the software, I've also included several help videos that can get you going very quickly using the software, as well as a bunch of tips on how to use the software to find winning campaigns that you can sell on Teespring. Now, I didn't stop there. As part of the product and waiting for you inside the members area, I've got my T-Marketing System video training course, where I take you through everything I learned from selling over $230,000 worth of t-shirts on Teespring. And that contains 7 modules, which takes you right from the research to the Teespring designs. I bring you through 3 full Teespring designs using Photoshop, and I show you how to create professional designs that are guaranteed to sell. I also bring you through the process of listing your shirts through Teespring and all of the little things you need to know when creating a proper description and a title. Also, what shirts to sell, which styles, what colors, and what price. All those things are very important when you're trying to dial in your campaigns. Then I take you on inside of Facebook ads and show you how to create live campaigns. Nothing fake here. There's no pretend examples. These are real live campaigns that I take you through that I designed specifically for this course. In fact, in Module 5, I take you through the process of creating 10 shirt campaigns, also how to create them in Teespring, and then connect them together in a specific way that I call the bidirectional traffic method. And this method was designed to maximize the amount of profit within your Facebook ads. What's really cool is you get to see me list all those campaigns right in Teespring and also go and list them in Facebook, each and every one of them. And then I take you through the steps on how to spot the winners and then spot the losers and then get rid of all the losers and keep the winners. And as a result, 2 out of the 10 shirts became profitable. And in addition, based on the analytics that I found, I created a new one. And these are the 3 shirts right here that I take you through the whole process from the beginning to end. At the time of recording this video, this campaign is just going to end. Let's go take a look right now. I think there's only a couple hours left, actually. Just under 2 hours left for that campaign. You get to see how I listed all of these campaigns within Teespring and Facebook, and I take you through the process of how to make them profitable by slightly changing things within your Facebook ads and analyzing the Facebook reports and also your Teespring analytics in order to make educated, proper decisions on what to do with your campaigns. I also include a whole bunch of case studies so you can see exactly what I did in my business to make thousands of dollars. And I've also included another Module 7 which shows you a whole bunch of really cool tips and tricks like Photoshop tricks and a bunch of other really cool things that can really help you increase the money with your Teespring campaigns. This entire training course is actually worth over $500 if I was to sell it alone, but I've included it within the members area if you get the T-Inspector software today. Now, I didn't even stop there. I've decided to include my private web app that I call T-Profit-Spy. And so what this little web app does, it actually monitors and it extracts the number of sales per day for all of the top selling campaigns on Teespring. If you can see here, you could see that right now we have over 20,000 campaigns within our network, within our database, and we also have over 600,000 records. So if you take a look just down below here, you'll see that this system logs all of the latest shirts, all the top selling shirts in the last 24 hours, you can see here, and it also shows you the number of sales per day for each one of these campaigns. I think there is no other system online right now that even provides you this information. And you can see down here, you can see the top selling shirts in the last 72 hours, also in the last 7 days. And if you click on a particular campaign, it'll take you right into the details of that campaign, showing you the number of sales per day that this particular campaign is getting. And we've included a search feature within this tool. So you can come in here and you can search for, say, a nurse shirt, and then you can specify the number of sales that has sold, a minimum number of sales that have sold. If you want to see all the active campaigns in the last 24 hours, and you can see here all the different all the nurse shirts that have sold and the number of sales per day. There's definitely no other tool in the internet that can do this, and this is included in the T-Inspector membership area. This tool can easily sell for a minimum of $100 a month, probably upwards of $300 per month to get access to this information. I could easily sell $1,000 for lifetime access to this actual private app. So this is a huge bonus for this product. So let's just quickly add it all up. So the first thing you're going to get is the T-Inspector software along with help tutorial videos. And because this type of software actually doesn't exist anywhere on the internet, especially all the cool little tools that we integrate into it, it is definitely worth $95. And you're going to get my T-Marketing System training course, which contains 7 modules with 56 videos. And it shows you real live examples that make money. In fact, just in Module 5 alone, you get to see me take 10 t-shirts all the way from the start to making profit. And that actual campaign made exactly $721.70 of pure profit after all ad spend. And of course, you're going to get access to my private T Profit Spy web app. And as you can see, it's definitely worth $1,000 because you're going to be able to see all of the latest selling, top selling Teespring campaigns. And also you get to see the daily sales. And of course, don't forget that awesome integrated search engine we have put inside of that web app with over 20,000 campaigns being monitored with over 500,000 records. That is definitely a really powerful tool to have in your toolbox. Plus, throughout a lot of the videos that I have in the members area, I show a lot of different designs, and all the designs we kind of go through in the training. I actually take all those designs and some other ones and I put them all together in a package where you get the actual Photoshop source files along with the ads that I created for Facebook, and I put that package all together and you'll be getting that as well. In addition, you're going to get a WordPress plugin called T-Contest, which is awesome for building these viral contests that you can build an email list and also make sales at the same time. Now, I didn't reveal that in this video, but if you take a look on the sales page, you should be able to see some more information about that plugin. It's awesome. And of course, the last thing here I want to talk about is my personal favorite fonts package. So I've scoured the internet for my favorite fonts that I use in all my designs, and I put them all together in a single package for you. And as you can see here, it adds up to a real value of over $2,000. But don't worry, you don't have to pay anything close to that for this software or training. Although, we could easily charge $499. $199 would be a very reasonable price. Nope, not even $99. As you can see just below this video, we're running a limited time product launch discount. So technically, the lowest price you will ever get this software and training for is the price that you see right now underneath this video. So you might be thinking to yourself, why am I giving away all of these Teespring secrets? And you know what? That's a really good question, but the answer is quite simple. My true passion is software design, and I plan to continue working mostly with software projects, and you just use Teespring as a source of side income, which is awesome for you because basically I have no reason to hold any secrets back at all. In fact, if you go get other Teespring courses or other training courses with Facebook in general, you'll soon find out that the gurus that are making $100,000 a month, well, they might not show you all of their secrets because that's their main source of income. For me, my main source of income is software development. Plus, I want you to take action with this software and training to enjoy the massive success that you so deserve. And then come back later on and purchase more of my high quality products. So, in fact, it's a win-win situation for both of us. So, if that sounds fair to you, all that's left for you to do at this point is just to take action, which means you must act now to lock in this money-making software and training, plus all of the added bonuses at this unbelievable price. This could be the breakthrough that you deserve. The shirt selling business will never get saturated, and it will always be a very lucrative business. If you think about it, there are 1 billion users on Facebook waiting to buy your next winning campaign. And now you can generate income like this whenever you want, working from the comfort of your own home. As cheesy as that sounds, it is so true, and I want to give you an example. This is really cool. I was looking after my daughter, and I designed a t-shirt, and it took me about 20 minutes, and I was at my kitchen table on a laptop. Let me show you the results from that campaign. It was only 7 days, and I made $35,972.30 in 7 days from that exact campaign that I spent 20 minutes at my kitchen table. And I took $10,000 from that money and I paid for my mom's credit card at Christmas time. I want to show you the look on my mom's face when she got the check. This is the look on her face when she got it. She couldn't understand what was going on. And then the next picture here, it's a little blurry, but you can see she's got a smile on her face. And I can't explain the feeling that I have by having the opportunity to even give my mom this kind of money and help her out, because, you know, every mom deserves some love at Christmas time, right? So could you imagine having the power to be able to help your family and your friends just by selling t-shirts online? If you have the right training and a mentor with a proven track record of success like myself. In fact, take a look at this email from my Teespring rep. She said that I was number 14th best seller inside of the entire Teespring network. So rest assured you are learning from someone that's actually done this stuff and actually made a lot of money from Teespring. So this is your chance, and you must take action now, because once this special offer is gone, it's going to be gone for good. And I guarantee we will never ever offer this product and course at this low price ever again. Also, you're covered by our 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. Basically, if you're not satisfied in any way, shape, or form, well, we don't deserve to get paid, so we'll give your money back with no questions. Which basically means you have absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. So now is the time. Go and click that add to cart button just below this video for instant access to this valuable software and training while you still can. And finally, I just want to thanks for watching this presentation, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thanks again, and I hope to see you on the inside. Bye for now.